Here we're showing a CAD drawing of the Mark III pedal upgrade with heel and toe adapter. We have some failed attempts, around about 7 attempts, and there's the new pedal. Bit of oil just to squeeze it in there. Not going anywhere now. Try getting a good colour match. Currently use PA6 glass fibre, same as what the pedal's made out of. It does look better in person. Here now we're going to try and fit it in the Clio. It uses all the original mounts. It just slides on onto the little pillars. Did a mistake in editing. For some reason you see me do this twice. Action replay. And then a couple of uggy duggies. Tighten up the 10mm nuts. Well, basically, there you have it. Nice new, brand new heel and toe pedal.